I think one of the hardest things to fry, whether it be deep fry or air fry, are sea scallops. The breading always falls off. Well, until now. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make the best fried scallops in an air fryer. Hey, welcome back everybody. And well, today we're doing one of my favorites. Sea scallops. Fried sea scallops in the air fryer. That's right. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and it's been a while since I've actually fried something in the air fryer, so I figured today would be a good day for doing it. So that's what we're going to do. Super simple, okay? These are going to come out nice and crispy, just as if you deep fried them. I can guarantee it. And hopefully you pick up some pointers that make your attempt at making these a little bit easier for you. So without further ado, let's get right into this. What do we got? I got a pound of sea scallops here. I've got a little bit of flour here that we're going to coat the scallops first in. And then I'm going to go ahead and make another beer batter. So we're going to coat them, get them into beer batter, and then we're going to finish them off in my cornflake crumbs, which I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of Old Bay to right now. Probably about a tablespoon of Old Bay is going to go into my cornflake crumbs. I'll give that a mix up. Also to my coating, my pre-coating, I'm just going to go ahead and put in some salt and pepper just to give that a little bit of seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and take scallops, pre-bread them, put them in the batter, finish them off with the cornflake crumbs, get them in the air fryer for about, this is going to take about 4 minutes because we're not going to preheat this. I'm going to go straight in, and it should take about 4 minutes to get these nice and well cooked and golden brown. So let's keep going here. Let's make the batter. So all I'm going to do with my batter, I've got about 3/4 of a cup of beer in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start adding some flour until I get this to the consistency of pancake batter. So just kind of fold this in and just keep adding flour until I get it to the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Do not want to make this too thick. That's why I'm only going in with a little bit at a time. And we don't want it clumpy either. Alright, we're almost there. It's a little thin right now. Probably about another tablespoon of flour. Should thicken it up to the consistency that I'm looking for. Alrighty, there we go. I don't know if you can see that, but that's like a nice sort of pancake consistency to it. Now the salt and pepper that I added to my flour over here, just going to kind of mix that in, and I'm going to go ahead and mix in the Old Bay to my cornflake crumbs. So there you go, breading station is ready to go, ready to receive the scallops. Now you see some other items over here. What I'm going to be doing while the scallops are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make a tartar sauce. Kind of my version of tartar sauce. Now let's see if I can do this without making a mess. First of all, before I even start, scallops. Make sure that when you're buying the scallops, look for the scallops that say no water added. These have water in them as it is, but they kind of like to plump up the scallops a little bit by injecting water. Also, when you're preparing the scallops, make sure you dry them well. I have taken these out of their package and I put them on some paper towels and patted them nice and dry so they're ready to go. Any water in there is just going to make things, that batter is just going to kind of fall off. If we were trying to sear these, you wouldn't get a good sear. Get all the moisture out of and off of the scallops. All right, let's go ahead in. I'll put a couple in at a time. Over into the batter. Give them a little shake and shake off the excess batter. Over into the cornflakes. Getting my dry hand going here. And there you go. They're ready for the fryer. So let me go ahead and get the rest of these done, and we'll come back and then we'll get these in the air fryer. Well, as you can see, the scallops are all nicely breaded up here. So now let's get them in. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little parchment paper down the bottom of the air fryer basket. And let's go ahead and get these loaded. So in they go. They should fit in there nicely. I've got about 15 scallops here, all nicely sized. These are sea scallops, not the little mini bay scallops, which I really don't like too much. So we'll get all these in. I have it set for 400 degrees, and I think we're going to go about 6 minutes. I think I may have said 4, but we're going to go 6. We'll check it at 4, see where we're at, and go from there. 2 more to go. There we go. And as you can see, they're nicely stacked in there. We will go ahead and give them a little spray of oil. That'll help the cornflake crumbs get nice and crispy. In they go. Air fry, 6 minutes, 400 degrees, start. All right, I'm just gonna get a little mess clean up here, and we'll come back and we'll make our tartar sauce. Now on to the tartar sauce. So, get a little mayo in here, probably about a half a cup. I've got about 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish here that I'm going to toss in. And I have about a teaspoon of dill that I'm going to throw in there. Very simple tartar sauce. Give it a little stir. If I don't get it all over me, I'm pretty good at doing that. There we go. It's all mixed up. Got a nice tartar sauce going there. Let me give it a little taste here. Bingo. Alright, we'll come back and we'll probably have to flip these at about the 3-minute mark and go on from there. Stay with us. We'll be right back. Okay, it's asking me to turn them over. So let's go ahead, pull them out. They're looking really good so far. So we'll give these a little flip. Yes, I'm using my fingers. These are a little bit hot. I wouldn't recommend you do that at home, but I've got cook hands. These sound nice and crispy already. Okay, another spritz of oil on the other side. In they go for the last 2.5 minutes. My friends, it is time. They are done, and they are looking simply delicious. Golden delicious. Let me get these out into my little serving vessel here, and we'll give one a try. Moment of truth. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're nice and crispy. They're nice and hot. Let's go give this a try. Oh, I forgot. I want to sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay on here. Yes, my New England friends, I'm throwing some Old Bay on here. Trust me, it works. Alrighty. Let's give her a try. Cooked perfectly. Not underdone, not overdone, not rubbery. Melt in your mouth, nice and crispy. And you see the breading's not all falling off, but sometimes you get breaded scallops and the breading, as soon as you touch it, the breading's just gone. Not so. Look at this. Sticking nicely. Let's go in with some of that tartar sauce. Money. I've been dying to do these. Fried scallops in an air fryer. And they work. You saw how easy it is to make it. So let me do my shout out real quick. This episode shout outs to all you New Englanders currently serving in the Navy out there on the high seas. Hey, this episode's dedicated to you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share, and right over there, pow, hit my logo. That makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you. I don't know what's going to be next, but it'll be good.